Hello guys, magandang umaga guys. For today's video guys, home workout tayo guys, home workout. So ayan po guys yung ginagawa ko guys, paano palakihin ang ating hita tsaka binti guys, no? Patibayan ang tuhod. Yan po yun guys, no? Yan po yung gagawin natin guys. So 60 counts yan guys, 60 counts. So mga idol guys, please po like, share and follow sa aking vlog. So parang awan nyo na po guys, no? I-like nyo po, share and follow. So guys, at saka sa aking YouTube channel Christopher Bogsik Vlog 23, bisitahin nyo po guys sa YouTube. So guys, tuloy nyo po lang guys, tuloy lang po natin ang ating pag-exercise, ang ating pagpatibay ng ating katawan. So yan guys, yan po yung gagawin natin kapag patibayin natin ang ating paa, ang ating tuhod, ating binti, no? Palakihin natin ang ating hita. Ayan po guys, ganyan lang po yung gagawin natin guys, no? 60 counts yan guys, 60 counts. So yan guys, tuloy lang natin, no? So subukan nyo po yan guys gawin. So guys, second set guys, second set, yan po yan guys, no? 60 counts din yan guys, 60 counts din yan. So patibayin yung paa mo guys niyan guys, patibayin yung paa mo dyan, tsaka yung tuhod, yung paa mo guys, no? Hita, talagang titibay yan guys ang inyong katawan kahit anong laban guys, hindi kayo ayaw guys. Patibayin nyo yung katawan nyo dyan guys, no? Yan po yung gagawin natin guys pagka talagang gusto mong tumibay. Sipag lang guys. Ayan guys, at third seat guys, yan po yung ano natin guys, third seat. Yan po yun guys, palakihin ang puwit mo guys, tsaka yung hita guys, yan po yung tatama dyan, tsaka yung tuhod mo guys, talagang titibay lalo yan guys, yung paa mo guys, no? Yan, tuloy lang guys, sipag lang guys, no? Tsaka please guys, yung hindi pa nakapag-like, share and follow sa aking Ifbarels, no? I-like nyo na guys, tsaka bisitahin nyo po yung aking vlog guys sa YouTube channel Christopher Bogsik Vlog 23.